better way than showing off your new car than a little bit of a burnout in front of your buddy's house. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on the last video you watched us wet sand and buff this Corvette and get the thing almost ready to go. So today I'll show you where we're at in our progress, but today I think we're gonna drive this thing. So let's go back into the shop. Check out the video on our new Cadillac if you haven't. I'm super excited about that. But here's the Corvette. This thing is very close. I just got done throwing the interior in it. I have to bolt the back of the seat down. I don't have a battery in it right now, so I couldn't move the seat forward. But it needs inner fenders, front and rear. It needs the valance, the exhaust valance, I guess you would call it, lower bumper. And we're waiting for a striker for the rear latch. For some reason GM discontinued this, so we had to buy aftermarket and hope that it they said it's gonna work, but we got it off eBay, and I don't know, you're 50-50 chance if it's actually gonna bolt up to your car or not. So yeah, we're gonna get to putting those inner fenders in, and then hopefully we're gonna drive this thing. So we're gonna get to work. Alright guys, so here's where we're at on this thing. Inner fenders are all in. I've got this piece that goes right here. Goes right here. I do not have this front inner fender piece, which if I had I still wouldn't put it in, because I just realized the wire from right there, and then this one's totally gone. This one's got the end missing, so I can't plug in the fog light or the marker light. So I'm not gonna put that piece in, but we've got the back end, the fender's totally mounted. I'm gonna let this thing down, put the wheels on it, then I'll switch spots with the V and get this thing washed up. Alright guys, this thing is 99.9% done. As you can see, we don't have the lower lip on it. I thought we had one. We don't have one, so I had to order that. And then we misplaced this little bezel or piece that goes into that fender right there. So those are the only two things this thing needs, and it will be good to go. We've actually got an alignment scheduled for it, so we do need to take it to get it aligned. But other than that, it is all cleaned up inside. Remember those wrinkly door panels? Door panels look nice. And it is actually turned out to be a super nice car. The paint matches real nice. So we're actually going to jump in it and take it for a drive, see how it runs, and maybe get some nice footage of this thing. So we're going to take it for a spin. Alright guys, so we're on our first drive. This thing is actually driving pretty nice. Feels like it's got the original tires on it, real close to it. It's got a little bit of a growl while we're driving. These run flat tires are not soft at all, but drives real nice. The clutch feels good. The Z06 has got to be the best shifting cars out there, and the clutch is super nice on them. So we're going to drive it for a little bit, see what it does, and then maybe we'll get on it here in a little bit. That wraps it up for the video series on our C6 Z06. We just drove it around, like you saw. It does need an alignment. The steering wheel is a little crooked, but other than that, and this bottom piece of the bumper, that is all this thing needs. Walk around this thing and just check it out. And like we said earlier, the paint really turned out nice. It matches real well. I'm very happy with the paint. I'm very happy with the finish. There's a few tiny imperfections, but when you paint this many pieces on a car, I mean, it almost got a full repaint. So we're actually pretty happy with that. It drives real nice. I mean, shifts real nice. Like I was saying, these Z06s, man, these are the best shifting cars out there, I think.
Definitely looks good.
Yeah, it's a good looking car.
Especially for being our first car we've really painted.
The first car we've actually done all on our own. We've always hired most of the work out because we just don't have the time, but we've got a little extra time right now, so we're trying to do it all on our own, and I think she looks pretty good.
Too bad you can't keep them all.
Yeah. We'll be selling this car to hopefully fund the next project. I don't know what we're gonna purchase to rebuild, but it'll definitely be something cool. We're not gonna buy a Honda Civic and rebuild it, put videos on it. So we like to do burnouts on Honda Civics. I don't know. I guess some of them can do burnouts, but
They're not as fun.
not as fun. So if you like these videos, just subscribe to them and comment on them. Let us know what you think, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.